Welcome back to the car updates. The Charger Daytona SRT makes a statement. Its body is wide, low, and muscular, true to its heritage, but with futuristic lines that give it an edge. The most distinctive design element is the patented R-wing, an aerodynamic front nose design that channels air through a functional front opening while preserving a throwback Daytona-style look. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a real downforce-enhancing piece of engineering that sets the tone for a performance-first EV. And in silver, especially with the black accents and full-width Ring of Fire taillight, the car looks like something straight out of a sci-fi muscle dream. The lighting is another conversation starter. Up front, sleek LED DRLs form a sharp, menacing stare that's pure Charger, while out back, the full-width taillight bar integrates seamlessly with the aggressive rear stance. The Fratzonic logo, Dodge's revived EV-specific emblem, glows proudly, signaling the vehicle's connection to both the brand's muscle past and its electric future. Even the rear diffuser, although EV-specific, echoes traditional SRT styling cues. The Daytona isn't trying to run away from its roots, it's electrifying them. Pop inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that feels like a jet fighter's den. The interior is a mix of suede, carbon fiber, and performance leather, with red ambient lighting that pulses in sync with the car's driving modes. A massive 16-inch curved display cluster and a 12.3-inch central infotainment screen dominate the dash. Dodge's attitude adjustment system lets you customize everything from sound profiles to digital gauge layouts to throttle response. You even get a retro-inspired pistol grip shifter that brings some old-school flair to a high-tech interior. The flat-bottom steering wheel, bolstered seats, and tactile switches make it feel more analog than you'd expect in an EV. But that's the whole point. It's emotional tech, not just functional. Now on to what everyone wants to know: performance. The 2026 Charger Daytona SRT is powered by Dodge's new Banshee 800-volt electric propulsion system, designed to outmuscle Hellcats of old. Dodge hasn't released final horsepower figures yet, but insiders suggest the Banshee models will push well over 800 horsepower, with torque output capable of matching or exceeding even the Challenger Demon. With all-wheel drive standard and instant torque delivery, Dodge is claiming quarter-mile times faster than a Hellcat, and that's not just marketing fluff. This car is built to dominate the drag strip while handling the street like a proper Grand Tourer. But what really separates the Daytona from other EVs is the Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust. That's right, this electric muscle car has a simulated exhaust system that uses amplifiers and chambers to project up to 126 decibels of sound. It's not just digital noise through the speakers. It's a visceral, physical sound system designed to give the EV real auditory muscle. Whether you think it's brilliant or blasphemous, you can't ignore it. It's one of the most radical ideas in modern performance cars, and Dodge is betting big that drivers still want to feel something when they hit the throttle. Thanks for sticking around for this full throttle review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Daytona SRT, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Would you buy an electric Charger over a gas-powered one? We've got more electrified icons and high-octane reviews coming your way. So stay tuned, stay loud, and keep driving with passion.